Okay, cool. So gonna change the door switches in here. So we'll use that one first, and then this one to force it open if it doesn't work. Okay. Where's the key? Wrong key. Right key. So this one works, doesn't it? Yeah, that one works. This one does not. That works. I thought you said it didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't work when I was driving it.
Well, it works. But look, this one's like dodgy anyway. Look, it kind of sits funny. See that? Weird. There's like a lot of play in it. Okay. Well, let's change it for the other one. I think this pops out. Oh. Wait, okay. Scared. I want to bend it. Yes. Does this come off first? No. Oh shit. Okay, good. And move that one. Then we need some screwdrivers. I didn't bring a screwdriver. Be right back. Super weird that they're not Torx, they're just regular Phillips. Maybe it's because it was made in Australia.
Yeah.
Like, we don't use Torx. Screwdrivers it is. Oh look, there's more. Phillips. Fuck. There's this one.
Yeah, I don't think so.
One is 3 holes and I've got 3. I've only got 2. These. And replacement one. AliExpress special. I think it's gonna fit. Same, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks the same.
Pretty much the same. Oh, there's more pins on this one for some reason. That's weird. Okay.
Plug it in and give it a test first. And door lock. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't really go down.
Oh, there's that locating thing to make it easy. Yay! looks good. Kind of like it matches the rest of the trim. Oh, look at that click. Easy. Okay, so that seriously took all of 10 minutes, I guess, to swap over. So now we'll just have a look at the two units. So this is the aftermarket one where you can see all of the pins there are present, and I have a feeling what they've done is they've just made the pin out to the 4-door switchgear and just left the front or the top of it with the 2 switches and the lock and unlock rocker there. So you can see that nice little silver edging on the top of the switch, which is a really nice detail. This is just looking at the original one. You can see already that that passenger's switch is not so great, has a lot of play in it. But you can tell straight away that the sizes are exactly the same. The plastic is exactly the same, and the rear of it is just missing the markings and the sticker. Also the pins here, there are less pins, which I feel is just the specific pin out for the 2-door models, or sorry, the 3-door model Golfs when comparing it to the 5-door models. So just swinging it around, you can see that it's pretty much identical. So we'll have a look at them side by side now, and you can pretty much see everything's very much the same. Again, pin out completely different or slightly different on the aftermarket one, and it's missing the sticker obviously, but everything else is the same. It fits the same way, all the dimensions are the same. The only thing that's different obviously are the 2 window switches there, one with the edging. Nice and easy upgrade there for you guys. So if you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe, and look out for more Mk4 R32 videos. Bye.